Imagine walking through the vast grasslands of South America just after sunset. In the distance, a tall, reddish animal silently emerges from the tall grass. At first glance, it looks like a fox standing on impossibly long legs. But then you notice something unusual. It moves with the elegance of a deer, has the face of a fox, the body of a wolf, and legs so long they almost seem unnatural. Meet the maned wolf, one of the strangest and most misunderstood animals on Earth. Despite its name, the maned wolf isn't actually a true wolf. It also isn't a fox. In fact, scientists consider it the only living member of its own unique genus, making it unlike any other wild canine alive today. Native to the grasslands, savannas, and open woodlands of countries like Brazil, Paraguay, Bolivia, and Argentina, the maned wolf has evolved to survive in landscapes where tall grasses can easily hide both predators and prey. Its striking feature is its incredibly long legs. While they may look awkward, they serve an important purpose. Instead of crawling through dense grass, the maned wolf can see over it, spotting danger and prey from a distance. These unusually long legs also allow it to move effortlessly through wetlands and thick vegetation. An adult maned wolf stands nearly 1 meter tall at the shoulder, making it the tallest wild canine in the world. Yet, despite its impressive height, it weighs only around 20 to 30 kilograms. Its slim body gives it a graceful appearance rather than the muscular build of a true wolf. Its reddish-orange fur helps it blend perfectly into dry grasslands. A black mane runs along its neck and back, which can stand upright whenever the animal feels threatened or wants to appear larger. Black legs and a white-tipped tail complete its unusual appearance, making it one of nature's most recognizable mammals. But perhaps the biggest surprise comes from its behavior. Unlike wolves that live and hunt in packs, the maned wolf is a solitary animal. It prefers to spend most of its life alone, quietly roaming enormous territories that can stretch across dozens of square kilometers. It becomes active mainly during the evening and throughout the night, when temperatures are cooler and prey is easier to find. Although it belongs to the dog family, the maned wolf rarely barks. Instead, it produces a deep, booming call known as the roar bark. This powerful sound can travel over long distances, helping individuals communicate without ever seeing each other. During the breeding season, males and females often exchange these haunting calls across the grasslands. When it comes to hunting, the maned wolf is surprisingly patient. Rather than chasing prey over long distances, it slowly stalks through the vegetation, listening carefully for movement. With a sudden leap, it pounces on rodents, rabbits, birds, reptiles, and insects hidden beneath the grass. However, what truly makes this animal unique is its diet. Unlike most wild canines, the maned wolf is an omnivore. Nearly half of its diet consists of fruits and plants. One of its favorite foods is the lobira, often called the wolf apple. This fruit is so important that it helps the wolf avoid parasites while providing valuable nutrients. As the animal travels, it spreads seeds through its droppings, playing an important role in maintaining healthy ecosystems. In this way, the maned wolf is not just a predator, it is also a gardener of the South American grasslands, helping forests and savannas regenerate naturally. Unfortunately, being one of nature's most unusual animals has not protected the maned wolf from the growing dangers of the modern world. Across South America, the grasslands and savannas that the maned wolf has called home for thousands of years are disappearing at an alarming rate. Large areas of natural habitat are being cleared to make way for farms, cattle ranches, roads, and expanding cities. As these open landscapes shrink, maned wolves are forced into smaller and more isolated territories. This brings them into closer contact with humans, creating new risks every year. One of the biggest threats to the species is road traffic. Since maned wolves are most active during the evening and at night, they often cross highways in search of food or new territory. Sadly, many are struck and killed by vehicles before they ever have a chance to escape. Domestic dogs also pose a serious danger. As human settlements spread, maned wolves increasingly encounter pet and stray dogs. These encounters can lead to fights, but an even greater threat comes from diseases such as rabies, canine distemper, and parvovirus. Because maned wolves have little natural immunity to these illnesses, a single outbreak can affect entire local populations. In some farming communities, the maned wolf has also been misunderstood. Although it mainly feeds on small animals and fruit, it is sometimes blamed for attacking chickens or other livestock. As a result, some wolves have been hunted or poisoned, even though studies show that livestock make up only a tiny part of their natural diet. Climate change is creating additional challenges. Changes in rainfall patterns, rising temperatures, and more frequent wildfires are transforming the grasslands that these animals depend on. Food sources become less predictable, and suitable habitat continues to decline. Despite these challenges, there is still hope. The maned wolf is currently classified as near threatened, meaning its population is decreasing and could become more endangered if current trends continue. Conservation organizations, researchers, and wildlife authorities across South America are working together to protect this remarkable species. Protected national parks and wildlife reserves now provide safe habitats where maned wolves can live with less human disturbance. Scientists use GPS tracking collars to study their movements, helping identify important migration routes and breeding areas that need protection. Education has also become a powerful conservation tool. Many local communities are learning that the maned wolf is not a dangerous predator, but an important part of the ecosystem. It controls rodent populations and disperses thousands of plant seeds every year, helping maintain the health and balance of the grasslands. Every maned wolf plays an important role in nature. Without them, certain plant species would struggle to spread, and populations of small animals could grow unchecked. Their presence is a sign of a healthy ecosystem. The maned wolf reminds us that nature doesn't always fit into the categories we create. It isn't truly a wolf. It isn't a fox. Instead, it is a species unlike any other, a survivor that has evolved over millions of years to thrive in one of South America's most unique landscapes. With its impossibly long legs, glowing reddish coat, haunting roar bark, and unusual love of fruit, the maned wolf remains one of the most extraordinary animals on Earth. The next time you see a photograph of this incredible creature, remember that you're not looking at a strange-looking wolf, you're looking at one of evolution's most remarkable success stories, a living reminder that the natural world is still full of surprises waiting to be discovered. If we protect its habitat today, future generations may also have the chance to witness this mysterious guardian of the South American grasslands, silently walking through the tall grass as it has done for thousands of years.